Octal number system. In octal number system, we have digits from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are only 8 digits from 0 to 7. So in decimal we have numberings like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, and goes on. How do you count in octal? So if we count in octal like this, 0 to 7 are exactly same as in decimal, but after 7 we start by incrementing a 1 here on the 10th place, and on the first place we get ones, we get 0. So 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, and so on. After it reaches 1 7, it will increment 1 and start from 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. Okay, so now let's see how a number written in octal is converted into a decimal equivalent. So we have a number 7741. In an octal number system, we cannot have numbers increase more than 7. So we do not have 8, 9, 10. We only have numbers from 0 to 7. Just like in decimal number system, each place has its positional has its weight. Now let's see how it is calculated. So this is one's position. So 1 into 8 into to the power of 0. So this 0 is the position of the digit, and 8 to the power of that position gives us the particular weight for that digit. So 1 multiplied by 8 to the power of 0 gives us the value, the place value of that digit. Now we move on to 4. It is the second digit. Okay, so 8 to the power of 1 gives us its weight, positional weight, multiplied by its face value, which is 4. So 4 times 8 is 32. Now similarly 7, and 7th is having a positional value of 2, 0, 1, 2, and its weight is going to be calculated by 8 to the power of its positional value 2 multiplied by its face value, which is 7, so which gives us its place value of 448. Similarly we move on to other digits, and if we add all these digits we will get 4065, which is in decimal. Okay, so if we now, just as in decimal number system, we have fractional numbers in octal systems also. So in octal number system we have a number 654 decimal point 1 2 3, and its base is in octal. So let's see how we will convert this number into fractional number system. So if we take a look at this number to the left of decimal point, it will be converted just like I told you above. So each place has its positional value, which is incremented one by one starting from 0. So 8 to the power of 0 is first position's weight, 8 to the power of 1 is second position's weight, 8 to the power of 2 it's a third position weight. Now if we take a look at the right digit from the decimal, 1 is the face value, and then it is multiplied to the weight. Now how the weight this particular positional value has a value of -1, and 8 to the power of -1 is gives us the weight of positional weight of this particular digit, multiplied its face value, which is 1. So 1 times 8 to the power of -1 gives us its value. Now if we move on to the second digit, which is 2, so the 2 is the face value multiplied by its positional value, which is 8 to the power of -2. Now similarly we move on to this. So if you observe closely, you will see that to the left of the to the left of the decimal point, the numbers, the positional value increments from starting from 0, and from the and towards the right of the decimal, the positional value increments starting from -1. Okay, so if we simplify and add up all these value, we will get around 428 dot decimal point 1621094, and it's in decimal. Okay, so this is decimal, and this is its equivalent in octal number system is 654 dot decimal point 123, and it's in octal.